So last week, we were in Tarlac. So nag-visit tayo sa Metro Town in Tarlac City where they have a book sale. Ayan po. Pasensya na po. We are into books talaga. So yan, we are encouraging people to continue reading kahit na e-book na ngayon or technology. Let's still have our books. So this is for Daniel Strickland, A Beautiful Mess. Yan, 95 pesos. The Road to Forgiveness, 25 pesos. Christmas Gifts That Won't Break, 25 pesos din. Tama ba? Start from Joy, Guided Journey. So, yan, mga siya. Prompts, Questionnaire, Reflection. 65 pesos. Ayan. Very affordable lang ang ating books that we bought from book sale in Metro Town, Tarlac. Stay safe, everyone. Continue to love reading and study yung mga works ng ating mga author. See you on our next video.